Hi guys, welcome back to K Aesthetic. It's been a long time since I created a long format video where I have a heart to heart conversation with you guys. So if you're new to this channel, hi, my name is Kay and I'm 18-year-old living alone in Bangalore, and I shifted last year to test myself, my abilities, and I'm grateful enough to get that opportunity to shift. Now, shifting and moving alone in a new city, a new state has taught me so many things that I really want to share it with you guys in this video. So now I am planning of creating a structure from this videos from now onwards. So in today's video, I'll be talking about 5 lessons which 2025 has taught me. And these lessons are going to be divided into 5 different parts. So let's get started, and if you're new to this channel, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I create content that might add value and which is created with an intention to add value to your lives. Okay, so lesson number 1 being life will not go the way you think it would. And this has been so true for me, and I know it's has been true for many of you guys. Personally, for me, I had planned a dream life and I was going to move to London, UK. I had got my admission, my offer letters, everything, but then just a trust of destiny, I would say, and I didn't move. But I'm grateful for moving to Bangalore because this city has given me so much and taken from me so much. So that's a thing which I really wanted to share, that it's okay if the life does not go the way you think, because it will not. Because you feel that why is the universe or the God is not listening to you, or why the things are not going the way you thought they would go. But the real reason is that because God has planned better things for you. And trust me when I say this, better things are coming your way and you will create a life you didn't even dream of. And trust me, it is difficult to accept the absurdness, the fragility of emotions along with the change. But trust me, it will get better. And also, life is a journey. You don't have to wait for a destination. So if you enjoy the journey, the destination will arrive and you won't even feel like it, because you've already relived the moments which created history, which created huge impact in your life during the journey. So enjoy your life the way it is, and don't wait for the right moment, and don't feel sad about the past, because the moment you're living in is the moment which you deserve to be in. One of the biggest lesson I learned this year is that it's okay if people leave you. Now, when I came to Bangalore, I thought that I would not have any friends because it was my past experience, and I was this and I was that, and you would feel that. Trust me, because moving out at such a young age, you'll feel like, what if you don't find your right people? What if you don't find the group you always dreamt of? What if you don't make the dream college life you always dreamt of? But trust me, you will find your people. And there would be people who leave you, because I had made 3 different groups of friends, one for fun, one for work, this, that, this. None of them stayed by, because once people see you are growing, once people see the potential within you, they start to feel inferior. They think that if they'll support you, they will be left behind. And you don't need such people in your life, so it's okay if they're thrown out of your life. Because trust me, girl, you don't need such people in your life. And right now, I'm so grateful that those people are just out of my sight, that even if they come on my face, I ignore as if they didn't even existed. So it's okay if people leave you, because the real ones will stay by, and you'll create magical bonds which will stay forever. This is one lesson which I feel that no one should ever forget in their life, is that you are not dying tomorrow, girl. You are not dying tomorrow. Because when you move to new city, new place, new country, even if you're just shifting the areas, you'll bring in so much expectation and so much burden on your shoulder that you have to do this, you have to do that, you have to achieve all of this, all of those 18-year people doing on Instagram, 19-year-old starting business, 30-year-old becoming a millionaire. You want to do it all before you turn 30. You have to do everything before you turn 22. And oh my god, the constant pressure of becoming perfect would never allow you to breathe in the moment. And I have been there. When I moved to Bangalore, I was about to say New York. See, that's how New York is there in my mind. That is as like ruled my heart, my world, everything. Just everything I do revolves around New York. But coming back to the point where I was talking is that I came up with so much expectation with myself that I want to be a content creator. I wanted to start my own business. I want to do that. I want to do that. I want to do this internship. I want to earn this much amount of money. Oh my god. I'm just a 17-year-old girl who moved to a new city, turned 18 on her own, started adulthood, and create so much pressure on herself that she forgot that she came here to live and not to die. And I believe that all of us should live our life. I know that doesn't mean that, oh, she said that now I won't live my life and I won't create pressure. My parents gives me money, I'll spend it like that. No, you don't have to do that. You need to work hard. You need to prove yourself that you deserve much better and you have to build your dream life. But not at the worth of losing your happiness. Your happiness, your mental health plays a huge role. And what if something does work out this month? It would work out the next month or the next year. But at least you are putting in that efforts, and that efforts will take you to a long way. They are just the stepping stone towards the beautiful ladder of success waiting there for you. So never get disheartened if you didn't achieve something right now, because you need to believe that you are not dying tomorrow and you are going to live a forever future where you have created your dream life. Relating to my previous lesson is this lesson that it's okay to take breaks. We are not artificial intelligent robots. We are humans and we need to be treated like humans. We need that soft mornings, soft workout some days, a cheat meal of chocolate pastry, and just sleeping and crying when you feel like you are. Because taking breaks is the reason you analyze your situation and you learn to move forward. Because for the longest period, what I did was ignored my emotions and kept on working, and boom, I had my crash, and I'm still not being able to wake up from that crash. Filming this video took so much courage out of me. I have been planning for 3 days that I have to film a video for my main channel, but it got so much into me that what if I didn't succeed this time, and what if I fail again, and what if my channel didn't grow, and what if people don't like my content, the way I speak, and what if people put in bad comments? What if, what that? And trust me, I never took a break. You need break from your thoughts. You need physical, mental, every break possible. Because your body and your mind needs the softness, the gentleness, so that it could revive itself and help you to become the person you desire to be. Because if you keep on pressuring yourself, ki, I want to do that, I want to do that, you would go nowhere. Trust me, baby girl. So please take breaks. Please treat yourself softly on the days when you feel like it, when your body needs it. And to every women and men out there, even men need break. You guys are not some robots who can work. You are as good and as capable as us, and you need as much care as we do, because in the end we all are human community. I know this sounds like some psychological podcast or something, but I am being really authentic, because these are the small things which we tend to ignore in our lives, but these are the things which create the actual impact. If we start paying attention in the small things, the bigger things will take care of itself. And last but not the least, every day is a new start. Every freaking day is a new start. Every 24 hours you get is a 24 hours you become better version of yourself. You build the habits which you didn't build yesterday. You eat the healthy food you didn't eat yesterday. You do extra workout for the pastry you had the other day. Every day is a new start. You don't have to wait for a new month or a new week for that start. Every single day when the clocks turn midnight is a new day. 24 new opportunities are waiting for you to grab. And trust me, if you never forget this thought in your life, and if you go ahead with this thought in your life, trust me, nobody can stop you. Because we always keep ourselves in that delulu world, if I use the Gen Z slang, that we'll do that tomorrow. There will be one day I'll do. There is no such one day. Trust fucking me. Sorry for my language, but there is no one day. It's every day you make changes. Every day you become the version you were supposed to be. Because when you think of every day as a new opportunity, your body, your mind will start working in completely different energy. I've tried myself, and if you trust me, even this bit, just try and take every day as a new opportunity to prove to yourself, not just to world, that you are capable of the life you have always dreamt of. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoy this video and this lessons which I learned from 2025 helped you guys to know the better versions of yourself and made you realize that the minimum and the minimal things which you were ignoring were actually the major things which impact your life. And I'll see you again next Sunday, same time, with another life lesson video, another video where I share a part of me with you guys, because this is how we grow. And I would love to know your views, your lessons from the past year. So comment down below, share your experiences with me, because I love talking to people. The Leo inside me always comes out when I meet people. So let's have a conversation, let's chit chat with me. And if you want to know my Instagram and if you want to chat there, I'll leave my Instagram handle below in the description box. So you can DM me anytime, you can comment below. I'll always try my best to reply. I might reply late, but I'll surely reply, because I love connecting with you guys and knowing you guys. And I hope you guys enjoy this video.